What are simple machines? Think of the work you do every day. Scientists define work in a certain way. Work is the use of a force, a push or a pull, to move an object across a distance. Digging in sand uses force to move the sand, so digging in sand is work. A simple machine is something that makes work easier. A simple machine has few or no moving parts. An inclined plane is a simple machine with a flat, sloping surface that makes moving and lifting things easier. A lever is a bar that pivots on a fixed point called a fulcrum. A fixed point is a point that doesn't move. The load, what you are moving, is on one end of the lever. As you move the other end of the lever moves the load. A fork is one kind of lever. As you lower your hand, the fork lifts the food, the load, to your mouth. A seesaw is another kind of lever. Its fulcrum is in the middle. Rakes and brooms are another type of lever. Your hands move when you rake leaves or sweep a floor, but the load, the leaves or dirt, moves farther than your hands do. This makes your job easier. A wheel and axle is made up of a wheel and an axle that are connected so that they turn together. A wheel and axle uses a circular motion to increase force. If you turn the wheel, the axle turns with greater force.
We wish that you learned something new. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and click like. We'll be appreciated if you share it too. This is the Teaching Oasis.